Hello guys, welcome back. So today we're going to be catching up on the Stray Kids teasers and tracks. So I left off on track 4 was the last one I reacted to. So we're going to get into track 5. It's called Domino. I've heard a lot about this. I haven't listened to it, but I've seen like some like pictures, I guess you'd say, from this, but I'm really excited. I just can't wait for this album. We have through, what is it? Isn't it the 23rd that it releases? So 3 more days? I think so. I could be wrong, but I'm pretty sure. Anyways, let's get into it. Oh my. Is that just me, or did that sound like the Kingdom performance where they mixed, why can't I think? Side Effects and God's Menu together. That's what that sounds like. Oh my. Wait. No freaking way. That sounds just like that. Wait. Right here. Oh no. Hanji-sung, you're gonna kill me. Did you guys see him wiping his mouth? Oh my god, why have I waited so long to listen to this? This song is gonna be freaking amazing. And yes, the beginning of this makes me think of Kingdom, the Side Effects and God's Menu mashup. That's what it sounded like. But Hanyu came in. Oh my god, Felix, he's so pretty. He came in so hard. Okay. Say this again. Hey, Domino, I like that. He's so pretty. Oh my god, Vinny. Oh, do you see Felix go like that? Oh, that was... Oh my god, this song is gonna be... This whole album, I'm telling you, this whole album is so special. Oh my god, this song... Every single one is different. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Wait, right here. Oh! Don't raise your eyebrow at me, buddy. Oh my god. Changbin, Benny. Oh my god. I love his voice so freaking much, and his rapping. And then Hyunjin comes in. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. I'm not gonna make it through this. Woo. Jongin. Oh, Felix. Oh, Chris. Oh, this song's gonna be so good. I'm wondering how they're gonna do Domino though. Okay, I did not expect that. Domino. Oh man, that's gonna get stuck in my head. Oh, that was not expecting that. This. Oh, so good. Ooh. Ooh. Oh my god, Felix. Stop coming at me with that deep ass voice. Oh. Come on, April. Oh, you can make it through this. One by one, go down. Like, you know, dominoes, if you hit them, they'll all go. Oh, that is so... Oh, I love the reference. Oh my gosh. See, did you hear the dun 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 dun? That sounds like... Oh, it sounds like the mashup. I know you guys hear it. Right here. 2. Ooh, is that a fidget spinner? Ooh. Oh my god, they look so good. This song is so good. Whoa, oh my god, that was so good. Oh, there's the doorbell. I am so freaking ready for this album. It's not even funny. So ready. Okay, the next one. What we got? Go ahead and exit this one out. We have, this says, Joase Miyane. Yeah. Joase Miyane. Okay. No, 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 no. This is gonna kill me. My baby's singing. Oh, I love his singing voice so freaking much. Oh, look at him. Don't look at me like that.
좋아했어 미안 미안 좋아했어 미안 hey 맘에 들어 미안 미안
This song seems sad.
많이 좋아했어 미안 미안 티 안 내려놓을게
I mean, literally the title is I Like You, Sorry. Oh no.
티가 났어 미안 미안 좋아한게 나 참다 이대로는 안 될 것 같아 경기를 한 걸음 더 다가간다 한 걸음 더
You're Changbin in the background vocals.
오랜 시간이 걸렸지 근데 그 시간이 너무 길었나 타이밍이 아마
Beautiful
다르게 똥튀었나 가까워지기 위한 게 더는 다가가지 못해
Ooh, this song is so good.
가는 게 너무 어이없다 내가 원망스럽다 네가 원망스럽다 누굴 탓해야 할지 몰라 원망 만들었다 그 벽을 허물렸다 내 마음만 무너져 그만 받잡으려다 제일 중요한 널 놓쳐
Isn't this the song Changbin wrote? Ooh,
그냥 보고 싶어서 둘이서 같이 보고 싶어서 핑계로 건넨 표 친구로 지내긴 너무 예뻐
Stop. You guys are killing me with these tracks. I am so ready for the album.
그냥 보고 싶어서 둘이서 같이 보고 싶어서 핑계로 건넨 표 친구로 지내긴 너무 예뻐서 친구로 끝내긴 너무 아쉬워서 끝내요 너무 아쉬워서 결국 맘을 폈네 너무 아까워서 친구로만 남기엔 난 너가 좋아 죽겠는데 너를 좋아해서 미안 좋아해서 미안
Oh, this song's so good. What song isn't though? That's catchy too. Ooh, oh my god, I can't. This is so good. Yeah, the 23rd. I'm so freaking ready. 3 more out. 3 more days. Okay. All right. Next track, we have The View. All right. Let's see. Okay. Ooh. This is a feel-good song. Everything's been so different. Ooh. Oh, this is so, yeah. Ooh. Okay, Chen, I see you. Ooh. Whoa, I was not expecting that drop, and this sounds so freaking good. Why is every single Stray Kids song so good every time? 3RACHA, man, I'm telling you, I love... Jungkook is so cute. Also, he reminds me of, I just got on watching, this BL called Light on Me, and he looks like the main character from there. They are so adorable. Ooh, this drop is different. Oh, what did that say? Dreams, what? Dreams come true to those who truly want them. Oh my god, I'm gonna love this song. I'm gonna love every song, but I'm gonna love this song. Oh my gosh. Ooh, Felix, stop. Ooh. He's so cute. Oh my god, they're so beautiful, every single one. Felix! Oh, I can't. All this is so good. I'm really ready to get into the teasers. I have those up too. The teaser 1 and 2 is gonna be crazy. Okay, I think this is the last track. Yeah, track 8. Okay, let me see. Okay, I'm scared. Oh, this is gonna be a.
하루가 길어진다.
Oh.
괜찮은 척하는데도 외로워. 홀로 다른 곳을 바라보며 나의 고민을 수없이 지웠다 그리는 걸 반복해.
Oh, this is gonna be.
아무 말도 못한 넌
This is gonna be a good ending song.
그 전에 입가에 맴돌아.
Oh.
가끔씩 난 두려워져.
Oh, the lyrics.
점점
Jongin.
젖은 어깨 젖어버린 옷 시끄럽던 음악 소리마저 자게 만들 웃는 얼굴로 떠나보내 손끝에 맺힌 마지막까지 모두 다 내려오는 빗물에 모든 걱정들을 담았던 찰나.
Okay, Minho. No, 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 no. Oh my god, this song is gonna be such a good ending song. Oh my god. Oh, it's gonna be so good. Oh, I'm so ready. Okay, I'm scared to get into these teasers. Oh my gosh. Let me rewind this. Okay. Teaser 1. Okay. Oh my god. Oh my god. The beat in this song. Oh my god, they look so good. They're all decked out in black. Oh my god, this I'm not gonna make it through it. Oh my god. Oh my god, Felix. Chris. Oh my god. Sigmund. Oh, sorry. Okay. Oh, Jungjoon. Oh, that's so cool. Whoa. Oh, that's so pretty. Okay, guys. You don't have to stare at me like that. Oh, that's so cool. Oh my god, this is gonna be so good. I'm so ready for this. Okay. Let's got the next one. I got the last one. Okay. Oh, I see you. Whoa, whoa. Whoa, whoa, whoa. This is too quick. Whoa, hold up. Hold up. Oh my god, the choreo's gonna be. Oh my god, the choreo. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. It's 24 seconds. I really need this. I need the MVs to come out. I need this album to drop. Oh my god! No, 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 no. This is so freaking amazing. They look so good in the red. Oh no, I'm so ready for this song. Oh my god. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. What did it say? Monday, what? What did it say? What did it say? What? Wait. Go back. Monday at 6 p.m. I wonder if that's probably Korean Standard Time. So, maybe, it's gonna drop the 22nd then for us, maybe. Oh my gosh. I'm so ready. Oh my god, I'm so ready, so ready. Oh, I didn't mean to play that. Oopsie. Okay, guys, well, I'm officially ready for this, which I've been ready for this since... I've been ready. I'm just ready for this to come out. It's so good. I'm so excited. I'm at loss of words because every single song sounds so different. Every single song sounds amazing. It's Stray Kids. I mean, it's Stray Kids. That's all I have to say. Anyways, guys, if you like my reaction, like, comment, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.